Hey, what's up guys? Jason back with another update on the dad wagon. As you guys saw in the last video with the dad wagon, we blew the motor up, built a new motor, put a 3-liter Whipple on there, and then by the end of the video, we had trashed the 3-liter Whipple. This has turned out to be unfortunately a very common problem with the Gen 5 Hemi Whipples. We were able to get our hands on a billet 3.8-liter Whipple though for this video, and that's what we're going to install and show you guys right now. While the Whipple was down, we went ahead and took that opportunity to go back through the motor, make sure everything was good. We upped the injectors. You know Glenn and the guys at RPM Denver are always taking care of the Jeep for me. We did a whole bunch of other stuff, so take a look at that now and all the upgrades that we did to the Jeep while the 3-liter Whipple was down and we were installing the 3.8. So let's go check that out right now.
She's gonna come off the line like you wouldn't believe.